Hello guys, welcome back my channel with a new video. Friends, today I have many colorful of toys serially parked here. All are nice and beautiful. So friends, now I will hand drive all of these toys one by one with my hand. At first is a Spider-Man fast speed car, so let's go. Wow friends, I parked here this is Spider-Man car. This one is red, black and yellow color combination. And next one is a DS Tronton car here, so I will drive this one now. Wow friends, I parked here this DS car. This one is yellow, white, black and pink color combination. And this one is a army tanker here, so I will try this one now. Wow friends, I parked here this tanker. This one is green and black color combination. So friends, now I will try this heavy duty loader. Let's go. Wow friends, I parked here this loader. This one is red and black color combination. And next one is a Spider-Man car here, so I will try this one. Wow friends, I parked here this Spider-Man car. This one is red, black and green color combination. This one is a Raptor bike here, so I will drive this one now. I parked here this Raptor bike. This one is red and black color combination. There is the last one is a big size power backhoe here, so I will drive this one also. Let's go. Wow friends, I parked here this power backhoe. This one is yellow, black and white color combination. So friends, all of these toy vehicles hand drive and introduced with you. So friends, now I will ending my video. See you soon with next time with many colorful of toys.